Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best folding treadmills that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have GoPlus Folding Treadmill. The GoPlus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is an innovative, compact treadmill that works well under a desk. When the handrail is railed, the treadmill is in jogging mode, with speeds from 0 to 12 kpm, and when the handrail is down, the walking mode goes up to 4 kpm. The portable treadmill weighs only 70 pounds and has a very quiet 2.25 HP motor and a companion app where you can program the machine and switch between kilometers and miles. With a powerful 2.25 HP ultra-quiet motor, it provides you with a quiet and comfortable sports environment without disturbing others. 0.5-layer non-slip and shock-absorbing running belt provides effective cushioning for your back, joints, muscles, knees and ankles. You can connect the treadmill to your phone through Bluetooth and play music while you are exercising. Equipped with a remote control and a safety key for immediate closure in an emergency. Moving on at number 4, we have Nordic Track Treadmill. Nordic Track's easy lift assist folding mechanism makes setup and storage a total breeze, which is great for an otherwise sturdy model from a brand that experts love. It comes with a free 30-day IFIT membership, which allows your online trainer to automatically adjust your speed and incline to correspond to the workout, as well as a clear LCD display for easy readability. It's little wonder why FYT personal trainer Victoria Brady recommends it. At number 3, we have Sunny Exercise Treadmill. Brady also likes this model from Sunny Health and Fitness in part for its 9 built-in workout programs, so you can just lace up your running shoes, choose which program sounds good to you, and go. For those curious about their fitness specs, the handlebars on this treadmill not only feature speed and incline adjustment buttons, but they can measure your heart rate with a touch too. Sunny Health and Fitness presents our brand new motorized treadmill. If you have no time to go to the gym or go running outdoors, this is the solution. With this Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill, your home is your gym that will help you stay in shape. It features a folding mechanism and a soft drop system to help you fold and unfold your treadmill safely and with ease. The handrail controls allow you to control start, stop, adjust speeds, and measures your pulse rate. It helps keeps track of your overall workout goals with an easy-to-read LCD that displays time, distance, speed, and calories. At number 2, we have Xterra Fitness Folding Treadmill. The Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill is an affordable folding treadmill with settings you'd expect to find in a more expensive option, which is why we chose it as your best value pick. If you want to up the intensity of your workouts, you can manually adjust the incline between 3 different settings or mechanically increase your speed up to 10 miles per hour. And you can take advantage of the treadmill's 12 preset workout programs anytime you're craving a more guided workout. Xterra Fitness provides everything you require to reach your fitness goals in the TR Folding Treadmill. Offering a wide variety of workout programs, you can now realize your health and conditioning ambitions. Thanks to its sturdy frame and powerful motor, the TR150 and TR260 treadmills are built to keep up for as far as you can push yourself. And finally at number 1. Xterra Fitness Treadmill. Another favorite of CCAT is the Xterra TRX3500. It has a 3 HP motor, enabling speeds up to 12 miles per hour and an incline of 12%. The larger, 60-inch running deck is more comfortable for taller runners. Best of all, the treadmill is Bluetooth-enabled and can connect to fitness apps like Zwift. It even connects with a personal favorite, Zwift, to allow you to race against friends and other runners in a digital world, explains CCAT. If you aren't looking for that experience, then not to worry, it still has a 6.5-inch LCD screen that you can use to create your own workouts. Easily adjust your pace and incline with the console direct access buttons or handlebar-mounted speed and incline controls. High-quality built-in speakers make it easy to listen to your favorite tunes, and a cooling fan keeps you comfortable. With the lift assist and safe drop design, you can safely and easily fold and set up the treadmill between use.